Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by turning on the essentials. Open Quick Settings and make sure airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi is enabled. Once done, verify the router is powered and cables are secure so Windows Diagnostics won't chase a dead box. Sign in with an administrator account because you'll change drivers and adapters. Now locate the target SSID and password if the network was renamed or credentials changed recently. Write them down. This avoids wasted attempts when you reconnect. Next, you tackle the system side. Run the network troubleshooter in settings to catch common faults automatically. If problems persist, open Device Manager and update the Wi-Fi adapter driver. If a recent update broke connectivity, roll back the driver or uninstall and let Windows reinstall it. Then, open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/release and ipconfig/renew, followed by netch-winsock reset to clear socket issues. These steps refresh addressing and finally restart both the PC and router to apply changes and clear transient errors. Make sure DNS is set to automatic or try a public DNS like 8 if name resolution is the issue. If performance varies, manually add the network profile or switch bands between 2, 4 and 5 GHz to avoid interference. If Wi-Fi still fails, boot into safe mode with networking to rule out third-party interference. Note any error codes you see so you can research precise fixes or share them with support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.